Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna help you to find and fix current issues, and give you the tools to prevent or find errors, blue screens or crashes in the future. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos.
We're